Packer Naturopath. Thank you for coming back to the channel. Let's look at this question we want to hear from somebody. I bought your book and all your supplements and have several questions, but here's one of them. I do not eat any dairy. I eat the So brand, that's S-O, So brand unsweetened plain almond yogurt, which the last ingredient is rice starch. Is it recommended I avoid this yogurt? Do you have any recommendations for another brand that has better ingredients? Well, I don't really know all the brands out there. I mean, I don't look so much at brands. I look what's in the stuff. Rice starch isn't going to really affect you in a yogurt at all, unless you're eating, like tablespoons and tablespoons a day. Not a problem. Starch for some people, though, can affect their gut in that some bacteria, can really feed on starch. But hey, I mean, bacteria can feed on so many different foods. It's not worth just avoiding a food because it's got a little bit of rice starch in it, for example. It's starting to border on the anal, a little bit anal here, getting a bit overly concerned about all the tiny ingredients. Don't be the sort of person who's like that, but then goes out and spends an hour on the iPhone while sipping a latte, and then having a Dunkin' Donut with it or something, but then worries about one tiny little ingredient. Don't be that kind of person. Also, be careful not to become the food police, okay? I've talked about the food police. These cops are all over the place. Don't eat that. That's going to kill you. Oh my God, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't. I used to be one of those food police. Well, I got fired from the police force years ago, okay? People got sick of me arresting them all the time and hassling about what they're eating. I stopped doing this about, 25 years ago. So don't be the food police, all right? But I wouldn't really worry about a bit of rice starch in yogurt unless you're eating maybe 5 gallons a day or something. You're eating bucket loads of yogurt. Don't worry. Most people eat such small amounts of yogurt. It's inconsequential when it comes to tiny bits of rice starch or gum or some emulsifier in there. It's not a biggie, okay? Remember, it's what you do every single day, consistently and particularly repetitively, that makes a difference, not things like this, okay? Thanks for the question.